Hi everyone, I just finished making these tamales. These have a filling of jalapeno cheese and some green chili and jalapenos. I didn't have enough of the jalapeno and cheese, so what I did was I made these into a black bean tamal, but inside has a little bit of cheese, and it has the black beans have a nice mole sauce that surrounds them, and then it has the jalapeno in there with a little bit of cheese. The masa is out of this world. I did a mixture of a masa and some fresh corn. It's delicious. I'm writing this down in a recipe, and it is so delicious. I've been making tamales for quite some time, and I learned from my mother and my grandmother, and I would watch them make tamales, and every year Mama would make tamales. I think I have that on my video. But when you make them, I haven't made them in a while. I've kind of, been silent in making the tamales, trying to think. And I've been watching a lot of videos from these women that really labor and love in the Mexican kitchen, because that's where it all began, the tamales. So I started to incorporate some of these flavors and kind of mixing them together, and plus putting my spill on them. And I've even used some ghee in my masa, and oh my god, it is so delicious. If you're avoiding any kind of butter or cheese, I wouldn't recommend them. But if you want to cheat just a little bit, then have a tamale. These are so good. I tried them, and I have labored in love in making them, and I'm hoping that you'll find them yummy, because I'm telling you, I'm like, why did I make this? So I had one tamale just to taste, because yesterday I had a couple of my chicken tamales, but today I had the jalapeno and cheese tamales, and there's a sweetness inside the masa, along with my spices that I've incorporated in the masa, and along with the ghee to make it even more moist. And they are absolutely delicious with the fresh corn. So, okay, so I just wanted to show you that. So yeah, I'll be writing it in my book. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.